A Bird's Journey by D. and Badar. The bluebird is flying and it hits the duck. Oh, they collide. One drops. It's looking for food. It finds a snake. Oh no, but it wants food. The duck then needs food too. It's looking around, can't find food. Oh, polar bear. It takes the food. Oh, they have the food. 2 hours later. The duck and the bird are flying. And the duck, I don't know what the duck's doing, but the duck and the bird collide. Oh, the fighting for the snake. Neither of them get the snake. They both collide and die. The end. Thanks for watching. This is it, so see you next time. May the force be with you.